Displaying Google reviews on your WordPress website can help you boost trust and conversions at the same time. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to create a fast and responsive Google reviews feed like this for absolutely free with no coding needed. So let's get started. And here we are now on my WordPress site, and the first thing we have to do is install the reviews feed plugin. So let's go into plugins and click on add plugin. And we can search for Smash Balloon. And the plugin we want is this one here, the reviews feed plugin. Let's click on install now. And once installed, we can click on activate. And now the reviews feed plugin has been installed and activated on our site. Next, we can go on the left-hand side and click on reviews feed. And at the top, we can click on add new to create our first Google reviews feed. For the first step, we'll have to add a source for the feed. Click add source, and here it will ask you to verify your email. Click verify email. You can type in your email address here, and then click send confirmation link. You'll then get this message here asking you to check your email inbox for confirmation. After that, you'll see this here saying we're all set, and underneath that, we can also confirm that this is our domain. Click yes, it's my domain. Back inside the plugin, we can select the source for our feed. With the free version of the plugin, you can choose whether you want to display reviews from Google, but with the pro version, you can also display reviews from Facebook, TripAdvisor, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. I'll tell you more about the pro version later on in this video. Let's continue with the Google source. Once selected, we can click on next. For step number 2 of adding a source, we'll have to enter the place ID for the location we want to fetch our reviews from. To find the place ID, click on this link here. This will take you to Google's Place ID page. And if you scroll down, you can find this map where you can search for your location. I'm going to go with Angelina Bakery in New York City, this one here. We can select it. And once you do that, you can see your place ID right here. Let's go ahead and select it and copy it. We can head back to our site and paste it in this box here. Then click Finish. Now we can see Angelina Bakery added as a source inside the plugin. It's already selected for us, so we can click on Next. For the last step of creating our Google Reviews feed, we can select a template for the layout of the feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, and more. But with the free version, you only have access to the default one. So that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And instantly, we have a live preview of our brand new Google Reviews feed inside this plugin. You can see all the latest Google reviews for Angelina Bakery, which is the location that we added as a source. Inside each review, you can see the review author, when the review was published, the star rating that was provided, and of course the review content. On the top right corner of each review, you can also find a Google icon, indicating that the review is from Google. And at the top of the feed, you'll see a header and a write a review button, taking site visitors directly to your Google page, making it really easy for them to go ahead and leave reviews for you on Google. Okay, so our reviews feed is now ready to be embedded on our page, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this as well. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, let's go into Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your reviews feed. By default, our reviews feed is set to a list layout. This one displays your reviews in a single column list, which you can see here. Alternatively, you can also go with the masonry layout, which displays your reviews in rows and columns. If we continue with this layout, looking below, you can also choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed initially. Currently, we're displaying 4, but if you want to modify it, just edit this to the number you want to display. Let's go with 3, and instantly our preview will update to only display 3 reviews instead of 4. I'm pretty happy with that. You can also modify the number of columns inside your feed as well. Just change it to the number you want to display. For example, if we go with 2 columns, this is what it would look like inside the preview. Choose the number of columns you're happy with, and once you're done, you can click on Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Google Reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. And here we are now on our WordPress webpage, and to embed our Google Reviews feed, all we have to do is add a shortcode block, this one here, and paste that shortcode we copied earlier, like so. After that, we can click on Save, and check out what this page looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new Google Reviews feed that we just created. It's displaying the latest Google reviews from Angelina Bakery, which is the source we added to the feed. Inside each review, you can see the review content, the author for that review, when the review was published, and the star rating at the bottom as well. And if a site visitor wants to write a review, they can click on this button here, and that will take them directly to your business page on Google with a window open for them to leave a review. This makes it really easy for your site visitors to go and leave reviews for you on Google directly from your WordPress website. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a Google Reviews feed like this. It only took a few minutes and we didn't use any coding. If you like what you saw so far, let me tell you about Reviews Feed Pro. With the premium version of the plugin, you can display more than just Google and Yelp reviews. You can showcase your reviews from Facebook, TripAdvisor, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org as well. When customizing your feed, you'll also have access to the carousel layout. This lets you swipe through the reviews inside your feed like this. And if you want control to choose the exact reviews you want to display, the premium version also has powerful moderation features. Here you can choose the exact reviews you want to display with the allow list and the block list. You can also add filters based on the star rating, words, and even character counts, so you're displaying the best reviews front and center on your feed. All of these features work together, allowing you to create the best and most powerful Google Reviews feed for your WordPress website. If you want to check out Reviews Feed Pro, you can visit smashballoon.com, or if you want to create a Google Reviews feed for free, you can follow the instructions I've shared with you earlier on in this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.